Okay guys, for the removing the tail light of the Porsche Boxster 718 and also 981 plus Cayman or Cayman, all gonna be same way. First things from the inside the trunk, okay, this plastic cover, not plastic, actually rubber, and then the inside having the one, let me zoom on it, okay, the 10mm socket. This one with some plastic holder. Okay, after remove that one, so this light holding with the only one bolt, that one we did remove together, and then it's free from the any bolt, and then here this area having the one pin like that with nothing can come out. So the one tips with the zip tie or also shoelace, possible to do that. Try play here and then find the gap. Okay, look at, just focus on my hand, how I holding the light. You see this one, it's very hard inside. In the this way you can put the zip tie around this area, and then like how I did play, remove it. Okay, that's how you can remove the Porsche Boxster tail light. If you like my video, please like it, share it, and then invite your friend to come and subscribe to our channel. We have so many things people can learn, and gonna be nice to have you guys here. See you guys very soon. I'm today very tired. In outside 4 hours 5 hours I removed the old wrap film. That's why I'm really hurry to make this video for you guys. I hope you like it. See you guys very soon. Take care.